So we're back working on this 2016 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive with the BCM failure. I obtained a remanufactured BCM from Flagship One in the States, and I'm going to install it, but I need to get the skim code. Now the customer was able to get the skim code himself, but I have an app on my phone that I want to try to use to see if I can get the same skim code as him. It costs about 25 bucks Canadian, 20 American. So let's see if it works. I'm going to start a screen recorder to try it. Okay, so I hope this is recording. I'm going to go into the app. I bought 50 tokens. Let's go back. Connected to, I'm using a OBD Link MX, which is an ELM 327 adapter. I've had that for years. I use it with other software. This is the first time I'm using this, so it's radio frequency hub RAM 327. I would imagine you have to have the key in the run position. Ignition off, hazards on. Hazards on. Ignition off, hazards on. Press start. Okay. Working on it. That is the code. Wow. That's the one the customer got for me. So if you're interested, this app is called Chrysler Pin Puller, and it's available on the Play Store. I'm using an Android smartphone. So we got the BCM from Flagship One Incorporated, and they're located in New York, and it was shipped by UPS. So they pre-programmed it to the VIN number, but of course we have to marry the keys from the wireless control module. It's a used one that's reconditioned. So I got my helper in there with smaller hands than me to get at the connectors. It sits, this is the top of the BCM, 7 connectors on it. Several of them are latched connectors where you have to open the latch. These ones aren't, but I think 4 or 5 of them are latched. So we'll get this installed and then set it up. So we got the BCM installed and everything hooked up and headlights installed. And I'm going to turn the key to the run position and see if we get any warning lights on. Now I should theoretically need to program the Fobics. Now I had asked Flagship if they could eliminate the skim, and they said no, not on this year, but maybe because they virginized the module, it recognized it. So we didn't need the skim code after all. Let's see if the lights are working. Park lights. You want to step on the brake? So the right brake light and turn signal didn't work before. Okay, turn the right turn signal on. Left turn signal. Okay, let's have a look at low beam, high beam. Yeah. And the right parking light and turn signal light on. Try the right turn signal again. Well, we put some more trim back together again and we should be good to go.